We're going to evaluate the definite integral from 0 to square root of pi of x cubed times cosine x squared dx. Before we start, I'm going to rewrite this as from 0 to square root of pi, and write this x cubed as x squared times x. All right, because we have these x squares here, so cosine of x squared dx. So we're going to let x squared, using our method of substitution, equal t. Then 2x dx equals dt. Or, since we have this x dx, we can write x dx equals 1/2 dt. All right, now to use our method of substitution, we're going to have to change our upper and lower limit. So when x is 0, we get 0 squared, and that's going to equal 0 still. So our lower limit is still 0. When x is equal to square root of pi, and we have x squared here, so square both sides, and you get t is going to equal pi. So this is just going to be pi. Now I'm going to substitute in, this is going to be t, this is going to be cosine of t, and this x dx here is 1/2 dt, and I'm going to put the 1/2 in front. All right, now for this piece, what I'm going to do is, we can use integration by parts, or we can use the shortcut. I'm going to use the shortcut, also tabular integration. Take the derivative of my t and integrate my cosine of t. So when you do that, you're going to go down to 0. So derivative of t is 1, and derivative of 1 is 0. So now we have to end here at 0. So the antiderivative of cosine of t is sine of t, and the antiderivative of sine of t is negative cosine of t. And then we draw these diagonals here, and this is going to be plus and minus. So we're going to write this now as 1/2, and we're going to get t sine of t, and then we have two negatives here. So it's going to end up being plus cosine of t when you multiply those two. And again, we're evaluating from 0 to pi. This is going to give me 1/2 of, let's start with your upper limit and evaluate. Pi sine of pi plus cosine of pi. And then I'm going to put little brackets here. Minus, when you substitute in 0 here, you get 0 plus cosine of 0. All right, so let's look at this. Sine of pi is 0, so that knocks that out. Cosine of pi is negative 1. So we have 1/2 times negative 1 minus cosine of 0 is 1. So you get 1/2 times negative 2, and that's going to equal negative 1. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.